Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review, please note that the link to purchase this 4*RJ45 network ports industrial mini PC at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Make sure to check it out for the best deal. This fanless mini PC powered by the Alder Lake-N97 quad-core processor is a compelling choice for those needing a robust yet compact industrial computer. With a turbo frequency of up to 3.6 GHz, it offers solid performance for various industrial applications, including machine vision, edge computing, and smart factory setups. One of the standout features is the inclusion of 4 I210 Gigabit RJ45 network ports, which is ideal for environments requiring multiple network connections simultaneously. This capability makes it perfect for AGV warehouse carts or smart transportation systems where reliable and multiple network interfaces are essential. The device sports 8GB DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 16GB, and 128GB SATA 3.0 storage, with an M.2 slot available for additional SSD expansion. This flexibility ensures you can tailor the storage and memory to your specific needs, enhancing overall system responsiveness. Connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring one HDMI port supporting high resolutions up to 4096 by 2160 at 30 Hz, two USB 3.2 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, and two COM ports supporting RS-232/RS-485 protocols. This array of I/O interfaces makes it versatile for connecting various peripherals and industrial equipment. The fanless design combined with a sturdy metal case not only reduces noise, but also improves heat dissipation and durability, making it suitable for harsh industrial environments with operating temperatures ranging from -10 to 60 degrees Celsius. The compact size, 7.17 by 5.91 by 2.49 inches, and lightweight, about 1.8 kilograms, design also allow for flexible installation, including rack mounting. Pros: powerful Alder Lake-N97 quad-core processor with turbo boost, 4 gigabit LAN ports for extensive networking needs, fanless, silent operation with efficient heat dissipation, wide range of I/O ports including HDMI, USB 3.2, USB 2.0, and COM RS-232/RS-485, expandable RAM and storage options. Compact and industrial-ready design with rack mounting options. Cons: base storage of 128 GB might be limiting for some heavy data applications without expansion. Single-channel memory slot might restrict maximum memory bandwidth compared to dual-channel setups. Limited to one HDMI output, which may be a constraint for multi-monitor setups overall. This industrial mini PC is a versatile and reliable choice for professionals looking for a compact, fanless solution with multiple network interfaces and robust performance. Its design and features make it well-suited for a variety of industrial and smart technology applications. Remember, the link to purchase this mini PC at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment. Don't miss out on the offer.